If you need to remove a device from your Visa account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Visa account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Visa website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Device Management. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Device Management or Security Settings. This is typically found in Account Settings or Security Options. Step 3. View Connected Devices. In the Device Management section, you will see a list of all devices currently connected to your account. Review this list to find the device you wish to remove. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Click on the device you want to remove. There should be an option to remove or disconnect the device. Click this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the device. Confirm your choice to finalize the removal process. After completing these steps, the device will be successfully removed from your Visa account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Visa customer support for assistance.